I think this is a really important event and an important discussion that more people need to be really talking and thinking about, because fundamentally the way that we're producing food is changing very, very quickly. And it's going to have major impacts in terms of our consumptions and our health and our behaviors. So really knowing what's happening in terms of food safety and the traceability and that accountability of making sure that the food that we're producing is up to the standards that we need it to be, I think it's an important discussion for everybody to know about. I think right now the big issue is people only care when something goes wrong. So when there's an E. coli outbreak, when there's a salmon infection, then all of a sudden everybody cares about food safety and the food origins. And until those situations happen, we don't actually use it as a marketing discussion point. So what we really want to see in terms of the evolution here is more restaurants talking about where does their food come from? Where does their ingredients actually come from that they're bringing into their restaurants? And I think with that sort of discussion, with that sort of mindset, turning it into a positive, turning it into an attraction rather than a bad thing when it does come out, I think this is the big shift that I hope happens in Hong Kong. You know, I think it's just, again, I think it has to be demand-led. So fundamentally, the consumers have to care. When the consumers start caring, the suppliers have no choice but to comply. So what we really need to do is just turn the onus around. The thing is, we have great companies here that are leading the market, leading the charge in terms of, hey, we need to start talking about this. This is what the future is going to be. But they can't do it by themselves. And right now, it's a big cost for them. The additional benefits of actually implementing all of these blockchain and supply chain controls, fundamentally, the market needs to dictate that there's a value there. And the people, the consumers, have to care that the quality of the ingredients that they're eating are top-notch.